Hello everyone. Today, I will talk about my father. He is a computer engineer. A computer engineer designs and makes computers. They work with both hardware and software. They make sure devices work well. My father studied computer engineering at Polytechnic University. He has worked in this field for 10 years. He loves technology and solving problems. My father works for Fsoft company. He designs software and fixes system errors. He works with other engineers on projects. He made a software for medicine. This project helps examine patients with heart disease. He has won awards for his work. Computer engineering is always changing. He must learn new skills all the time. He works long hours but loves his job. I admire his hard work and intelligence. He takes care of his family and his job. He inspires me to follow my dreams. My father's job is challenging and rewarding. He makes a big impact on technology. I am proud of him. Thank you for listening.